So this is New Mexico feathergrass, Stipa neomexicana or Tenisawima. It's a nice bunch grass, an ornamental bunch grass that puts off this nice inflorescence. The flower part of the plant, the inflorescence is just a fancy name for flower. This is actually...
Is that the seed? Like
yeah.
Will that go on the wind and
this is all
scatter?
seed, yeah. You can't see it without a microscope, but it's got a little tiny spike on the end of the seed head. The little fuzzy stuff is like a propeller on the end of the seed head, and so when it gets into the ground, it kind of spins like an arrow and gets itself embeds itself into the ground. Yeah. This is a plant that is native to all of the deserts in North America, and it's very drought tolerant once it's established. It does really well on irrigation, just as long as the soils are drained well. It can handle a wide variety of soil types and is commonly available in the nursery trade, and has brings a lot of flowing motion to a landscape because of its soft feathery leaves and things like that.
It kind of like drafts in the wind.
Yeah, it drafts in the wind, and it kind of softens up a hard landscape. So
cool.
yeah, very nice grass to use in desert landscapes.